Hi, my name is Anya and today is my 21st birthday. So for today I'll be making caramel cupcakes and decorating them. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To start these caramel cupcakes, add 300 grams of softened butter to a bowl. Mix the butter until smooth and pale in color. Once the butter has reached a paler color, add in 300 grams of muscovado sugar. Mix until well combined and smooth. Next, add in 6 eggs that have been beaten. I added this egg mixture in 2 batches. Mixing well in between each batch. Once the eggs have been well combined, add in 2 teaspoons vanilla essence and mix until well combined and smooth. Now for the dry ingredients. In a bowl with 300 grams of flour, add in 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Gradually add in the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth and well combined. Spoon the cupcake batter into prepared cupcake cases. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean. Once the cupcakes have cooled, pipe some of my basic buttercream on. I'll link that video. Once all the cupcakes have been iced, we can move on to the fun part: decorating them. First, I add a wafer cube to each cupcake. Then I add 2 white whispers to the cupcakes. Then I add my favorite flower, which is a yellow rose, to every second cupcake. Write in the comment section below what your favorite flower is. Once I added all the flowers, I sprinkled on some silver decoration balls onto the cupcakes. Lastly, I added a few blueberries now and then. And there you go, I made this for my 21st. I hope you try to make this at home and enjoy!